Hey, seventh graders. Welcome to seventh grade math. I am Mrs. Michelle Gross. I am your seventh grade math teacher, and I'm so excited to be with you, even though it looks a little differently. You may see this video tonight, the day before school starts, or you may be viewing it on the day of school. But I just wanted to walk through a couple things that you may have some questions about. I am logged in under a student classroom account on Google Classroom. So what I first want you to do is I want to make sure that you have 6 classes on there. So when you go through, look, and if you only have 5 classes like this one, figure out you've got your first period. So you need to figure out, like, this person needs to come up with their second period class. And so then you will go to find your second period class. So the way to do that is you're going to go to our school website, spencer.kyschools.us. You're going to click on nope, that's not what you're going to do. Sorry. You're going to click on schools down here. Click on Spencer County Middle School. Scroll down and you're going to click on virtual and hybrid learning. You might want to share this with your parents if they haven't seen this already. It's kind of our one-stop shop as we work through this and navigate through hybrid learning together. So on this, your parents have some resources. You're going to go to 7th grade. And there's a 7th grade open house video. If you've not watched it, watch it. And then there's a 7th grade hybrid cheat sheet. If you click on that cheat sheet, it will bring up our Google Classroom codes for all of the classes. So let's say you're seeing mine, but you're only in 3 different classes. Then what you're going to want to do is, let's let it load up. You're going to go through, and so you probably already are in my class. You need to check your second period and go through and find out who your second period teacher is. Let's say it's Mr. Hume. You're going to join that class there. Then you're going to go on to your third period class, which is on the next page. Find that teacher, join that Google class, go through 4th, 5th, and 6th. Once you do that, you should be enrolled in 6 classes on Google Classroom. If you want to check to see when your Zoom meetings are, they're on the next page. You'll be able to see the Zoom meetings on there. My Zoom meetings are, like, if you have me for first period, you'll see that my Zoom meeting is on Mondays and Wednesdays at 8, from 8 to 9 o'clock. Then you will go and look at the rest of your schedule to see. Math and Science Math and Science Zoom meetings are on Mondays and Wednesdays. Social Studies and Language Arts Zoom meetings are on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and Arts and Humanities Zoom meetings are on Fridays. That way you can meet with 2 teachers a day and check in with your teachers, but not be overwhelmed and be on Zoom meetings all day long. So that's kind of why we did it that way. All right, once you're in your Google classes, I want you to go to My Class. And when you click on here, you're going to see a few things posted and some upcoming things. So I want to share some important things. First of all, the stream gets a bit overwhelming because it just keeps stacking on top of each other. So always make a habit of clicking Classwork. And Classwork will allow you to see from week. Now, week 2 will pop up in the next day or 2. It'll have the stuff on here. So I want you right now to look at our class syllabus and also to look at the Zoom meeting link to see at the time. Another helpful thing, and this would be helpful for all of your classes, if you click over here, these 3 bars that say Main Menu, click there. There is a button for you called To Do. And when you click that, the To Do is going to tell you this week what is due. For tomorrow, you have your Zoom meeting due, and it says it's from 9 to 10 on this particular class. My first period is meeting from 8 to 9. My 4th period is meeting from 9 to 10. I think that my 6th period is meeting from 12 to 1. And my 3rd period is meeting from 1 to 2. I may have that a little bit backwards, but I posted it on your Google Classroom. So that will help you. You've also got next week, and you've got the following. I hope this helps you. I hope that you all have a great first day. Do not hesitate to ask. If you have any questions, you can email me, michelle.gross@spencer.kyschools.us. Have a great evening and a great first day of school.